高汉说：“你会说汉语吗？”鹏鹏说：“会一点儿。”高汉说：“你在哪儿学汉语？”鹏鹏说：“我们学校叫美丽汉语。”会说。
第一题，高汉说：“你会说汉语吗？”鹏鹏说：“会一点儿。”
Hello everyone, welcome to Beautiful Mandarin. Today, I will introduce how to use our online interactive ebooks. First, you should open a new browser on your laptop. Then, input our website, www.beautifulmandarin.com. This is our web page. You will see there are 4 items on our web page: Home, Online Mandarin Course, Interactive ebook, More. Let's find the interactive ebook, then click it. Our interactive ebooks are free now. So click Select. On this page, you say sign up and log in. If you are our current students, you just click to log in. If you are not our students, please click to sign up. Let's click to sign up first. On this page, you should input your email address and the password, then click to sign up. If you're already a member, please click to log in. Now, I will click Login. If you want to log in our website, you still need to input your email address and the password. Now, I will input my information. Then log in. Clicked Got it. Okay, we already logged in our website. Next, find interactive ebook again, then click Category. This is our interactive ebooks page. Let's choose Textbook 1. Lesson 1 as an example. Click to Go. Each lesson has text 1 and text 2. If you want to go to the text 2 directly, click to Go to text 2. Then you will see text 2. For each lesson, the ebooks also cover audios that are for the single characters, new words, 拼音, and tests. If you want to know how to pronounce the 拼音 or the new words or the single characters, just click the yellow button. For example, I choose number 1 as an example.
你
If you want to repeat the audio, click it again.
你
Some yellow buttons also for our online workbook. You can click the yellow button, then do the listening comprehension. For example, I clicked it.
12点1刻
And if you don't hear it clear, you can click it again and repeat it.
12点1刻
Each lesson includes videos to help you teach yourself. You can collect the videos directly. Click Get Access for free. Enter your email address. Choose this item, then click to continue. Click to confirm. Now, you should input your first name and the last name. Choose this item. Then click Complete and view your product. Then click to Start course. Now, I get my video class of Textbook 1, Lesson 1, Text 1, 你好, 拼音. I can watch it now.
Hi， 大家好，我叫 Cici， 我是 Beautiful Mandarin 美丽汉语的老师。今天我要带你们学第一课。你好。
The ebooks also add a grammar part. Let's choose Textbook 3, Lesson 5 as an example. After learning the new text, the new words, the new characters, you will see the grammar parts. We list the important grammars, and each of them has examples to help you understand the tests. If you are still confused about these grammars, click the videos directly. Then you will get an explanation with details and examples.
This is the grammar we're going to talk about today, which is called a result complement.
Because the ebooks are interactive, they also include the listening comprehension of each test. Let's choose Textbook 3, Lesson 6 as an example. After learning each test, you can do the listening comprehension and submit your answers online. For example, you input your information first. Then, find the test audio. After listening to these audios, you can do these tests. Then click Submit. For the assignments, you can fill the blanks and write an essay directly. For example, I choose question 1. 学汉语在哪儿? 您? Then I can put my answer in the blank. You also can write an essay. If you want your teacher to help you revise your essays, click Practice with a tutor. Then you can book a tutor to correct you. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more information about our online class, go to our website www.beautifulmandarin.com. Then contact us. Now we offer adults, teenagers, and young children's online class. You also can go to our YouTube channel, beautifulmandarin.com. Subscribe it, then click the bell. If we upload some new videos online, you will get a reminder. You also can go to our Facebook. Then you will find some pictures, the videos, even the events about our school. Thank you. 再见.